guys, welcome back. It's your boy Desi with another video. Today we're going to be playing Gorilla Tag. Okay guys, and let's go. Diddy party! I like the Diddy party. So yeah guys, as you guys can see right now, I'm going to Kansas or Forest probably. Or yeah, I just want to go to Kansas or Forest. But like yeah, let's go there. Oh my god, bro. Keep getting stuck, guys. So let's go. But God, I hate this thing boundary in my way. It's always in my way, guys. Anyways, so yeah, I hate these lights because I keep getting stuck with them. Anyways. So this is me. I'm stuck right now, so I'm about to go to Kansas. So yeah, this is Kansas. I'm tagged right now. Oh my god, bro! I'm gonna go tag some people. I hate this. I hate this. I hate being tagged, guys. I gotta learn how to rope. Yep. But some of my friends are teaching me how to rope, so yeah. If I'm quiet, guys, it's because how you say I'm doing something. And yeah, and I'm focused. So yeah, if I'm quiet, it's because I'm too focused and doing it. So yeah, guys, so like, if you guys want me to post any other videos of Gorilla Tag, you can say in the comments down below and I'll do it for you. Alright? So right now, I'm playing, I'm like in a lobby with random people, so I don't know these people. Yeah, guys. So yeah, guys. So right now, I'm trying to climb up the zip line, but I can't. It's crazy. Okay, I almost got up there. Well, I'm trying to get up there, but I can't. Oh, guys, please. I just need help. If J-Man, if you're watching this, please show me how to do this, J-Man. And K9 also, please. If you're watching this, whoever's watching this that knows how to play Gorilla Tag, please comment in the thing and put your MetaQuest user and I'll friend you and then you can try to teach me how to wall climb and how you say it, rope, because I don't know how to do none of this stuff. It's because I got this thing, how you say it, like this year for Christmas, guys. So yeah, guys, and that's really it. And I've been playing, yeah. I've just been playing with some of my friends that are from school. I'm not really good at it. So yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So I try to get better at the game, but I can't really. So yeah, guys. I'm really lightheaded because my head hurts. So when you play on this, you probably might get motion sickness. And I might just get tired. And yeah. I might show you other videos of me playing other games or in other places in Gorilla Tag. Like probably I might take you out to the beach and show you what I do there. It's fun. Beach, it's fun. You get to ride with sharks. Yeah, it's fun. There's obstacles, there's other stuff. So that's like what we do. So it's fun. So yeah. And I've been really trying to play good with some people, but my friends, if they was online right now, they would be teaching me, and y'all could see like right if they was here. So yeah, guys, that's like what I mostly be doing, gorilla tag, and that's it. Bye.